Christmas lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How would you feel about packing up today? Living so free. Go get snowed in somewhere, you and me. I would rather be somewhere with you, without TV or phone. Is it wrong for me when you for my own? This Christmas, like the others missed us. Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be? Being snowed in somewhere, you and me. Let's go get snow.